Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VUZI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis, I think yesterday, or at least a couple days ago. Regardless, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. I'm just going to use these annotations. Sure, these levels down here still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update that needs to be made is just simply the newest area of resistance. And that is, nothing fancy behind it at all, other than the fact of, the party stopped back up. When was that actually? Back on June 12th, the party stopped up at 450. So that is going to be the near-term level of resistance headed into Thursday and Friday. The price, it's still got a bit of ways to go, but it's not like the price is way down there and it's got to travel all the way up there before it can start to do battle. Like I said, it's not right at the level, but it just has to travel a little bit of a distance. So I don't think it's very irrational at all to think that, a potential breakout could occur sometime by the end of the week, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that. But as it stands right now, a break of 450, by no means would I call that, not really a logical thought. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but, as far as, is it logical to be thinking that a break at 450 could happen? Yeah, it's absolutely logical. Because like I said, it's not like the price has to travel a great distance to even, first start doing battle with it. So that'll be the newest area, or not a new level of resistance, but the focal point area of resistance. The newest area of support, though, and what I would call the ideal level of support, would be right here at $4.15. Ideal meaning, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can hold above 415. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, that doesn't mean everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back, though, it's all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as that, as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the overarching perspective, the easiest way to gauge the overall health of the chart is just as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 415 would be great, but from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. All in all, though, great movement, great final 30 minutes on the day. Not just a question of can the price get the breakout either tomorrow or on Friday. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.